grew up in a little town called Crewe in Cheshire in the United Kingdom. Went to school there, met my wife there. I did a multi-skilled apprenticeship where I got exposure to mechanical, electrical, electronic, pneumatic, hydraulic systems. The thing that really interested me was coming up with efficient processes, problem solving, being able to see something I've introduced have an effect and have an improvement. That's what really motivates me. TrainDNA Group provides integrated urban services for Australia and New Zealand in various different sectors, so that can be utilities, transport, asset management services, roads, manufacturing services, so we build the rolling stock using different sub-suppliers. We also do the product assurance engineering for change management or engineering assurance to ensure that the trains are built to the right standards. Our train contract, which was the biggest of its kind. We designed and built the trains from scratch. We did all the testing and commissioning, put them into service, and they've been running now for the last 11 years. TrainDNA Group also provides full life support to each of those products, so that can be cleaning, can be maintenance, modifications. We basically look after those assets from the conception through to when they're disposed of. I've always been interested in how we use digital systems and apply it to a rail infrastructure or rolling stock solution. And TrainDNA has invested heavily in this space with data, with products and tools to improve availability and make sure the trains remain in service, or improving passenger comfort and passenger services and information, but also making sure that we give the best value to our customers as well through those digital services and solutions. 1 million people trying to commute into the city and out of the city every day. So how do we move that many people? How do we make sure the trains are out there providing those services day in, day out, and then get them back home safely and quickly? TrainDNA's TrainDNA is a digital cloud-hosted platform that collects data from multiple data sources, internal components on the train, external environmental data, which help us monitor the fleets while they're in service. So this is our integrated operating centre, and what we've done here is we've put all our critical roles that make operational decisions to keep trains in service. So what FND is showing us here, this is all of the TrainDNA sets. So we have about 200 sets, around about 110 or so have remote monitoring capability, so that's what's displayed on the screen. TrainDNA's TrainDNA platform is made up of 8 different applications fundamentally, and that provides mapping services. We have an emulator which shows the same screens that the driver can see in the cab. We also have a tool to visualize events from the train to make it really easy for us to interpret the information and respond to it at the right time. And then we have another couple of applications which allow us to review our data. These tools allow us to analyze all the different data sets and then either do engineering failure reviews for components and understand what we need to do to improve the train or improve a particular component on the train. Or is there a way for us to understand how a failure is going to occur and what data we have before they occur, so that we can build that into TrainDNA and then predict the failure before it happens. We've been providing rail services for the last 100 years. Whenever I ride on the rolling stock that we provide, it provides you a sense of achievement. You actually go into Central Station and every other train is a downer train. The platforms are full of them. So that's thousands of services we provide a day. It gives you a real sense of pride when you see that.